Hi guys, this is Kunj Patel. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, then subscribe now. To learn new design in AutoCAD, I will teach you how to do the 2D drawing of this part in AutoCAD. So first of all, let's start with this AutoCAD. Grade mode off, orthogon on, ISO draft on. First of all, you see as icon fix. Off. First of all, I will choose line command. Its dimension is 118 mm. I will zoom it. Again, line command choose its dimension is 44 mm. Again, line command choose is 22 mm. Again, I will command axis and command I enter. D diameter 44. Unwanted line is trim it, so trim command use. This line is delete. Again, line command choose. This dimension is upper direction is 40 mm. Now again, line command choose. This dimension is 48 mm. Now again, axis and command choose. I enter. Connect it. Unwanted line is trim it, so trim command use. Now line command choose this dimension is 24 mm. Now this circle is popping to upper direction is 16 mm. This line is connect to tangent. So unwanted circle is trim it, so trim command use. Now this line is delete. This section is copy to right side direction is 12 mm. Line command choose. Quadrant to quadrant connect it. And unwanted line is trim it. So trim command use. Again, this line is connected. And this section is copy to right side direction is 32 mm. Unwanted line is trim it, so trim command use. Now this line is connect to the tangent, and unwanted circle is trim it. This line is delete. This line is also delete. Now line command choose. Quadrant to quadrant connected. Unwanted circle is trim it. Delete. Again, axis and command choose. I enter. Direction change. D diameter 20 mm. This circle is copied to right side direction is 12 mm. Unwanted circle is trim it, so trim command use. This circle is delete. Again, this circle is Copy to right side direction is 32 mm. And vertex circle is 3 mm. Now line command choose. This dimension is 24 mm. Now again axis and command choose. I enter. D diameter 60 mm. Now this circle is copied to another side. Now again line command choose. Extend the line and extend the line. Extend command choose. Now again line command choose. This line and this line is connected. Also this line and this line is connected. This line is deleted. This line is deleted, and also this line is deleted. Unwanted line is trim it, so trim command use. So our drawing is completed. Now I will give the dimension. So align dimension 24 mm, 16 mm, 12 mm, 12 mm, 44 mm, 40 mm, 60 mm. So our drawing is completed. I will choose pan command to center here. I will zoom it. So our drawing is completed with given dimension. So guys, thank you for watching this video.